Okay, I don't know how well this is going to come out, but this is my new typewriter, my new antique old typewriter. Apparently it's, when put together it is, Remington 1040. It's a Sperry Rand model. I think that means it's what it refers to, the type on the slugs or whatever they're called. They're cursive looking. But I've taken a bunch of isopropyl alcohol time, toothbrush, and a lot of wiping of things and getting in between things with Q-tips. A lot of time, maybe an hour or so, to clean this general area here. And I think, for the most part, it's running pretty smooth. Sure, first one. That one's got some stick to it. Wow, oh my goodness. Here's the thing. I keep getting to a place where I believe I've got it figured out and working well. But then I come back and I'm checking them all over again. And there's always one that seems to stick regardless. Prehistorically, I've had problems with XV and the colon and @ sign here. But they seem to be getting better. And now it just seems like I've got to go back to those numbers up there. Keep in mind, right now, I'm just testing the functionality of the mechanism. I'm not actually doing any typing. Obviously, there's nothing on the paper. Those are sticky, so I'm gonna get just a bit of this here. Do this guy. Probably not necessarily the best technique, because now any dirt that is on this toothbrush will be in the entirety of my alcohol there. But I digress. You just take it, you rub it over things like this. And I have been having a lot of significant luck just with the repetition of this process. Just mere repetition of that cleaning bit. So maybe you'll see what I mean. Maybe it'll work now. See what I mean? So a little bit of isopropyl alcohol, and you saw the 1 and the 2 and 3 were kind of sticking earlier. Now they're just not. Everything, as far as I can tell, is working. Okay, yay!